let's talk about baseball. Baseball is a very popular sport in Japan. Two teams play against each other in every single game. Players use a bat to hit the ball. The ball is small, hard, and white. A pitcher throws the ball very fast. The batter tries hard to hit the ball. Players wear a leather glove to catch the ball. There are 4 bases around the baseball field. Runners quickly run around the bases. A home run easily scores an exciting point. The catcher sits right behind home plate. Umpires make important calls during every close game. Fans cheer loudly and proudly for their team. Stadiums are often filled with fans on game days. High school baseball is extremely famous in Japan. Koshien is a special summer tournament for high school students. Coaches carefully teach players new skills. Players practice hard every day after school. A good, fast pitch can strike out a batter. Innings neatly divide the whole game into different parts. The game usually lasts about 9 innings. Baseball caps protect players from the bright sun. Scoreboards clearly show the score for both teams. Baseball often brings families and friends together. Winning the championship feels truly amazing. Baseball remains a beloved game all across Japan.